Did you guys face any problem with the Wix button responsiveness? In this video, I will show you how you can solve the big text button responsiveness. So first of all, we have to create a button like this. So we can see if we go to the switch to mobile responsiveness, then we can see the button text is not fully white. So how we can solve the problems? First of all, we have to go to the page ruler extension. Then like we need the button little bit more height. Then the text will be in here on the next line. So let's like the height should be 70 pixel. It's okay. And the white it's uh 280 pixel, something like this. So let's close it. So then you have to go to the Canva. So in Canva you have to create a custom disk size. So I just create it already with white height, create new design. So let's background color, add the background color red, and add the text and like this. So just and then download it. So I just download it already. Here you can see I just download a two picture, which is a regular mode and the second is hover mode. So then you have to go to the Wix responsiveness and then go to the design mode and then click to the background files, and you can see if you click the customize field, then you can see there are image option. So you have to click the image option and then to change the image, and I already upload it. So you have to just click on it and change the background mode, and the hover mode we have to click the same thing. Okay, as you can see the button is ready like this. I just upload it and you should have to remove the text. I hope you all understood. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you all.